Hello YouTubers, it's a very nice Sunday. I'm going to repair my old picnic table on the beach. And then the table, it's about 30 years old. If you look closely, see, it's moldy, growing moss, and it's pretty much a bad shape. So today my job is to flipping all the board upside down so I can get a little bit more life out of it. So we'll see what this is going. The tools I'm using is one nail puller and one hammer. Here we'll give the camera to the boss so she'll record what I'm doing. Okay. My glove. So it's a very nice Sunday, very sunny, and I'm going to just flipping the board by board and then de-nail them. So, see, this is the old board. You see, once I flipped over, it looks much better. So I hope we can get a little bit life out of it instead of throw it away or into my burn piles. Just a little bit easier on the environment. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do this seat here. There's going to be 4 nails. Here we go. All the nails is out. And I'm going to flip this board upside down and put them back again using a different nail hole. You can see this side is quite decent. They're all cedar, so even they are seasoned like this, it's still going to give you a lot of years of rotten. The cedar takes a long time to rot, which is a good thing for cedar to using as a picnic table outside. In the rain, sun, wind, whatever weather it comes along. Here we go, see? The surface looks way more decent. If you look at here, those are the board flipped, and this is unflipped, so the surface has been really much weathered. So I'm going to do this 4 more board, so this summer we'll have a better looking picnic table to use. Okay, I'm going to flip this 4 board at the same time. Well, the nails is not very tight because just the spring comes, it's still, everything's still wet, very wet. So, but those are looks dark, but they are all galvanized nail. Has been in the wood for 20-30 years. They might still be able to use it for a while. So, I'm just a frugal guy. hate to wasting things. If anything usable, I'll reuse it or repair it. This is a Sunday. See how beautiful the weather is? Well, there's one center one, which we need to remove. It will be nailed from the bottom up. There we go. Yay! Looks much better. Yeah, we'll punch the old nails back because they're galvanized, so they can still last another 10 years without rusting away. Just about all putting back together. So once I have some stain, I'll put a new stain on them. So no, that's okay. I'm not fixing that. Leave that out. Maybe don't worry about that. Okay. See, I'll nail this one on. Two. So instead of buying a new one, I'm just fixing this. Hopefully they'll get a few years of life out of it. They're all made of cedar, so if they have a little bit of wood, they're standing up for the weather. Yeah, there's a little bit of rotting away, but what the heck. Here we go. Yeah. Right. Okay. Here we go. Thank you so much. See? It looks much better. And we're going to use it this summer for lots of fun times, having picnic here. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the scenery. Great. Thank you so much, YouTubers. And